along with the Lincoln Global Law Chamber and the Central Law Firm, jointly organizing one of the first.
जिसने सच को, लोकतंत्र को जिंदा रखा हुआ है। ये पीड़ित उपेक्षित समाज के वो प्रतिनिधि हैं जिनके पास संसाधनों की कमी रहने के बावजूद इन्होंने सच को जिंदा रखने का बीड़ा उठाया और सभी समाज और देश के पीड़ित लोगों की आवाज बने और इन्हीं मीडिया के बौद्धिक योद्धाओं को सम्मानित करने के लिए हमने आप सभी की मदद से इस अवार्ड को आयोजित किया है और इसका मकसद सिर्फ इतना है कि इन बौद्धिक योद्धाओं को ये लगे कि उनके द्वारा शुरू किए गए इस राष्ट्रीय अभियान में अब देश के कोने-कोने से लोग आकर जुड़ गए हैं।
The people are going to be awarded today is not very simple and not very humble because they stand for the people in odd hours and then they raise the voice of the oppressed society who have never given any opportunity to raise their voice. And hence, this is not only motivating the people who are standing at the odd hours, this is also opening a new avenue for the rest of the people into journalism, not to fear of anything, to raise the people voice without any kind of problem in the future also.
ऐसे जुझारू पत्रकारों को सम्मानित करने के लिए और देश में पत्रकारिता के एक नए युग की की घोषणा करने के लिए यह ऐतिहासिक कार्यक्रम हो रहा है। इस कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करने से पहले मैं हमारे मुख्य अतिथि श्री दारेन शाहिदी जी का और अपनी टीम और सभी मेहमानों की तरफ से स्वागत करती हूँ।
Before we begin this program, we would like to invite the chief guest of this program and also his team, Mr. Darin Shahidi ji, on the stage, please. Let us welcome him with the big hands, please. Welcome, sir, on the dais.
चीफ गेस्ट दारेन शाहिदी मीडिया जगत में एक जाना माना नाम है। अगर हम बहुत ही संक्षेप में बताएं तो BITV, BBC, NDTV, स्टार न्यूज़, स्टार स्पोर्ट्स, ESPN, स्टार स्पोर्ट्स, दूरदर्शन, IBN 7 इन सभी के सीनियर एंकर रहे हैं। इसके अलावा दारेन शाहिदी एक राइटर, फिल्ममेकर, पोइट भी हैं और भी भारत सरकार के बहुत सारे मीडिया और लाइट एंड साउंड प्रोजेक्ट्स का निर्देशन दारेन शाहिदी जी करते हैं। हम इनके आभारी हैं, इन्होंने हमारे लिए अपना कीमती समय निकाला।
Our chief guest, Darin Shahidi, is well-known name in the media world, as the young child was talking about. We will sure actually be having the great honors that we have today. There are a lot of lists actually where your contribution in the media goes, but briefly maybe which can appeal quickly to the audience and you also. Senior anchor of BITV, BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation and NDTV. Star News, Star Sports and ESPN, Star Sports. Some activities, he is also a prolific writer and filmmaker and also a poet. And really this is one of the historical events, the first award called by Town Hall Times. We are very happy with your presence, sir. Welcome once again on the dais. Thank you.
इस कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाने से पहले मैं चाहूंगी कि टाउन हॉल टाइम्स और सेंट्रल लॉ फर्म की तरफ से डॉक्टर अरुण माझी और एडवोकेट श्री हर्ष गौतम जी से आग्रह करूंगी कि वो हमारे मुख्य अतिथि जी को एक फूलों का गुलदस्ता के साथ साथ शॉल भेंट करके उनका स्वागत करें।
We also invite on the dais Dr. Arun Maji and advocate Shri Harsh Gautam ji, who are part of the Central Law Firm. We invite on behalf of Town Hall Times, please kindly on the dais, sir. Thank you.
इस कार्यक्रम में हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर एडवोकेट श्री प्रभाकरण लिंकन जी को भी फूलों के गुलदस्ते के साथ स्वागत करें।
We invite one of the topmost intellectual in the advocacy, having attended more than 8,000 cases successfully with the standing with the people who have never got an
Have a
opportunity
big
to
head
speak.
for her.
Advocate Dr. Lincoln Prabhakaran on the stage, please. Sorry to disturb again, Arun Maji sir, please, to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Lincoln Prabhakaran, with the flower and bouquet, shawl. Topmost lawyer in the country for pro bono cases. He has handled almost 9,000 cases by now. Most of the cases are pro bono in nature, pertaining to the oppressed society, and he never takes the fees from some people and always appeared for them free of cost all over the place, including the trial court, High Court and the Supreme Court of India. And his presence actually in Delhi today on the very day of the Parinirvan day of Baba Saheb Ambedkar is a motivation for all of us. And then he is here to actually to see over the journalists who put their efforts and life for the people of the oppressed society. Is focused more on uplifting the suppressed community in the through the judiciary, especially standing very firmly on their side. We feel very honored, sir, your presence in Delhi. Thank you very much.
इसके बाद हमारे दूसरे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर हैं डॉक्टर राजू शक्तिवेल, जो कमिश्नर सेंट्रल एक्साइज एंड टैक्स हैं और अपने क्रांतिकारी अंबेडकरवादी विचारों के लिए जाने जाते हैं.
We next welcome Dr. Raju Shaktivel in the bureaucracy, one of the revolutionary leader for us. He is a chief commissioner GST and customs, and one of the well-read and high-level intellectuals who we have in the Indian bureaucracy today. He is the reason behind Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, one of the pet project of our Prime Minister. He is the one who drafted it. And also major activism he done through high-level intellectuality. We request Arun Majisi to kindly welcome our chief guest, our one of the speaker, with the flower and shawl. Thank you very much, sir. To speak on this auspicious event, to institute this award actually. The first Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Subaltern Journalism Award, and also throw light on the various aspects of social activism. Thank you, sir. Please come.
Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, so I really thank the Town Hall Times editor, Dr. Surender, for organizing this a wonderful, a momentous and a glorious function in the name of conferring the award, Subaltern Award, in the field of journalism to the eminent journalists who all have assembled here. Of course, we don't have much crowd now, but I would say that quality matters rather than quantity. And the chief guest of this function, a reputed journalist in BBC, ESPN, and many other prominent news channels, to the respected sir, Shahidi, sorry, and the Delhi Law Times lawyer assembled here, and my good friend Raju Shaktivel IRS, an eminent, dynamic, and a very straightforward officer to change the bureaucratic setup and outlook across the country by his pragmatic and progressive way of thinking and approach. And my esteemed friend, Dr. Veeramani, a professor in law in eminence in Jamia Islamia University, and who is the person, he is the key behind in making me to attend this program by constantly following up for more than 2 weeks, and his unwavering support, dedication, sincerity is really a noteworthy and a remarkable one.
We know that your library worth is almost 9 crore rupees actually, the book you are having in your library. This is the reflection. And many people, even sometimes we call him judge's nightmare, all over the place, not only from the trial court up to Supreme Court. So this is the reflection that you may be having the library worth of 9 crore rupees, but you are having also secret library at your home, 3 floors. Sometime you will get an opportunity to get some benefit out of that. And you said in the beginning that no, quantity does not matter, it's a quality.
हमारे चैनल
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन
लाइक
शेयर
सब्सक्राइब
देखना
मत भूलिएगा।
जय भीम
जय भारत,
जय संविधान।
नमो बुद्धाय।
धन्यवाद।
चैनल आर्थिक समस्या से गुजर रहा है। अगर आप बहुजन समाज में बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर और तथागत बुद्ध की विचारधारा को अधिक से अधिक लोगों तक पहुंचाना चाहते हैं तो हमें आर्थिक सहयोग प्रदान करें, ताकि हम अपने चैनल के माध्यम से देश विदेश में समता, बंधुता, एकता और संवैधानिक अधिकारों को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचा सकें। आप अपनी सहायता राशि नीचे लिखे खाते में जमा करा सकते हैं। खाता धारक गौतम रत्न, खाता संख्या 3169576865 IFSC कोड SBIN 0060336, बैंक भारतीय स्टेट बैंक। आप हमारे बैंक खाते का विवरण स्क्रीन पर भी देख सकते हैं।